cause it's the West Coast family.
Good morning, top of the morning right now. Just chilling. Dogs already ate. I'm over here cooking inside, but just wanted to show you a little bit of footage of the puppies that I got right now. 3 Belgian Malinois mixed with American Pit Bull, 1 dark brindle color, 2 sable with black face, and a beautiful American Pit Bull. Got a nice smooth coat. She's also his daughter. Yep, that's what we got today. Anyways, have a blessed day. Peace out.
Full of thoughts that don't make you, and then it just causes confusion and makes you think life's an illusion. A helping hand, a helping voice. Remember who you are. I will always be your boy. Keep me posted. Stop sign. Keep this in your mind. Expect to be successful. Expecting good things and always being grateful. Things will work out. Ain't nothing but a playground. Know your gift. Keep a smile. Know your strength. True beauty is inside.
Life is an illusion, causing so much confusion. Loyalty is all we got left. Just show you my loyalty before we hit the gates. Then we go to heaven once we die. I've lost so many homies and I never got to say goodbye. Reminiscing about the times when we used to ride by the water, trying to make it hit, trying to make it rhyme, trying to sound time for the world. Life is an illusion, causing so much confusion. Loyalty is all we got left. Just show you my loyalty.
Loyalty above all, it's West Coast family. The fates can't handle me. I'm like holy water to a demon. I can spot a bit about a mile away. I've been betrayed about 1,000 times. Family betrayal can be the most painful, but just know that not everybody wanna see you shine. Just stay on your grind and keep on building that empire. Stay focused, money motivated, but God above all. And don't forget about the solid ones. We a dime breed, no hate in my game. Real, recognize real, and I know you see it. So, get a vibration. This is no imitation. I got your back with no hesitation. So Brody, pay close attention.